Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and today we're going to talk about the differences between a consumer screen, laptop screen, versus a rugged laptop's screen. So what are some of the differences? Well, let's talk about the rugged laptop design, and basically a rugged laptop screen is going to have chemically treated glass with anti-scratch coatings and that sort of thing. It may be made out of something like Gorilla Glass, and it may also have, and probably does, thicker glass as well. Depends on the manufacturer, but they'll make it with thicker glass, and there will be multi-layers of different types of, I guess, glass. They multi-layer it so that it can absorb shock easier that way. So that's some of the glass parts, but in addition to that, it's the design of the actual whole screen here. So the bezel is extra supportive. It has raised edges. You can see right in here the raised edge so that if anything hits it, it won't hit the glass directly, right, instead of being flat and smooth all the way across. That's important. It also has some internal shock absorbing materials like foam, padding, and that sort of thing to absorb any shock that may occur. The consumer screen is going to be made more for aesthetics. So it's going to be the way it looks. It's got to look very sleek and cool. It also will probably be made out of thinner glass. Those are some of the basic differences. If you're working outdoors, I highly suggest a rugged laptop, but let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys next week.